7 reasons why you're not a millionaire. 1. We frequently spend money subjectively rather than objectively. You might spend when you're anxious, unhappy, restless, weary, afraid of losing out, or trying to satisfy others, for example. This is an extremely unhealthy approach to manage your money. To break the cycle of habitual spending, keep track of everything you spend for a month. Keep an expense diary in the same way that some people keep a food diary. Remember to include the circumstances of why you spent the money in addition to the amount and what you spent it on. Was it something you planned to buy or something you bought on impulse at the checkout line? This improved self-awareness may help you avoid triggering events in the future if you're thinking about making an impulse purchase. 2. You're a risk-averse person who avoids taking chances. Nobody becomes a millionaire without taking some risks. Taking a risk does not imply that you must put all of your money into one investment or that you must bet your earnings carelessly. Taking calculated risks, on the other hand, is frequently part of excellent money management. No one becomes wealthy by earning interest from the bank. Instead. 3. You don't follow through on your good ideas. It's one thing to come up with million-dollar ideas, it's quite another to put them into action. You will never be wealthy if you are a dreamer who never puts his money where his mouth is. Millionaires do not sit back and watch others succeed. They take steps to achieve their objectives. 4. You don't have a good financial management system in place. In today's environment, the typical person has the opportunity to become a millionaire. A person who makes an average wage can become a billionaire by retirement with sound investments, a strong budget, and defined goals. It's doubtful that you'll be able to manage $1 million wisely if you don't manage your money wisely now. To help you save money right now, make a budget and set goals for yourself. 5. You don't have any clear objectives for yourself. People who don't have a clear aim in mind are unlikely to make wise financial choices. To save money and invest successfully, you need goals. Make a list of objectives, such as paying off debt or saving for a vacation house. Setting goals can assist you in determining whether or not you should spend your money on other items that arise in the meanwhile. It's far simpler to say no to tempting opportunities to spend money when you're saving with a particular goal in mind. 6. You don't commit enough time, effort, or energy to your work. Nobody becomes a millionaire by watching television or sleeping for 12 hours every night. Unless you're fortunate enough to win the lottery or inherit a large sum of money, becoming a millionaire requires a lot of effort. Millionaires view their time and effort invested in a project as an investment. They recognize that results will take time to appear, but they are prepared to put in the effort necessary to see the fruits of their labor. Learn how to effectively manage your time so that your efforts are more fruitful. 7. You're not networking with the right people as you should be. Spending time with slackers who aren't interested in good money management will not help you succeed in life. Surrounding yourself with active, successful people, on the other hand, will rub off on you. Make connections with successful people in your neighborhood. Look for professionals who can help you manage your finances, make good investments, or start a business. Spending time with others who share your ambitions will help you stay motivated in your quest to become a millionaire.